Have you ever reached the end of a season in life or in work and looked back thinking, wow, so much has happened? Well, that's exactly how I feel right now. From double episodes a week to baby milestones to deep conversations with incredible guests, season 6 of the Free to Be Mindful podcast has been full. And while this episode is a celebration and reflection, I want to leave you with something special, a free gift that I'll share at the end of the episode. So stick with me because this one's for you. You're listening to the Free to Be Mindful podcast, which invites you along on a journey to learn of mindful living, grow in mental health, and inspire through personal growth. In a world where we can often feel much stress and overwhelmed, this podcast provides bite-sized tips and real talk conversations, empowering you to embrace mindfulness and nurture your full potential. I'm your host, Vanessa de Jesus Guzman, educator, licensed professional counselor, entrepreneur, and mom. I'm passionate about helping others live life with peace of mind and ease of heart without losing their, well, here we go. Hello and welcome to episode 276 of the Free to Be Mindful podcast. I hope that you're feeling good, looking good, and doing better in this world than you were yesterday. So believe it or not, today, if you're listening to it in real time, marks the end of season 6 of the podcast. And this season has definitely been one for the books. I want to start off with saying that I'm so grateful for you, whether you've listened to one episode or to all of them, or whether you're a loyal listener or just found this podcast recently. Thank you for allowing me into your day and into your ears. It's quite amazing to know that the podcast was born December 2020. And in the past 5 years, we've had 276 episodes, 72 of them being in the past 9 months. 89% of our downloads are from the United States. And then top 10 countries include the Netherlands, Malaysia, Germany, Finland, UK, India, Canada, Singapore, Australia, and the Philippines, which is insane. So thank you so much for tuning in, especially if you're from there. And back in September, when season 6 launched, I had just come back from maternity leave and I came out the gates running, doing 2 episodes a week. I think that I didn't realize how full my plate would be coming off of maternity leave. And we had 2 episodes a week, one of them being the Consultant Counselor series on the Thursday. And then the Monday episodes was flip flop between the solo episodes and the guest episodes. And I was all in. But let me be real, by April, it just wasn't sustainable. My daughter got more mobile, and when they start crawling and walking, it's like game over. Business picked up, and like many moms, things just had to shift. So the second weekly episode, which again was a Consultant Counselor series, found a new home on YouTube. And then the SEL Book Talk, some of which premiered on the podcast, they're on the YouTube page too, because honestly, that format just works better with the visuals. And if you are watching me on YouTube, or if you've never watched me on YouTube, you can find me at Counselor V de Jesus, which is my name on all social media handles. And this isn't just a podcast, it's a living, breathing project that evolves with life. So I thank you for evolving with me. We had an amazing lineup of guests this season. We've heard from doctors, board certified obesity specialists, an anesthesiologist. We spoke to therapists and mental health coaches offering mindset shifts and emotional grounding. We spoke to real estate leaders who showed us how to build homes and dreams. Military women taught us about resilience and transition. Nurses and caregivers gave us glimpses into healing, not just physical, but emotional. Authors opened up their books and best-selling books this year to share vulnerable stories of growth, and moms raising children with complex needs reminded us what advocacy and strength really look like. And many of the women who were guests this season were part of the Brand Builders Group community, which I'm so very proud to be a part of. Their messaging was clear, their energy was magnetic, and their stories so needed. So let's talk about you. and what you loved most this season. In terms of the most listened to episode, we had a tie. This is a guest episode. We had a tie between, again, two Brand Builders Group friends of mine, and that was Courtney Young's, which she talked about the Waggle Dance and her book that had just recently come out, and Elena Hellman, Moms Working Overtime with Elena Hellman. So that was a tie to the most listened to episodes. And again, because this is not just a podcast, but also on YouTube, the two most watched YouTube episodes were Skydiving and Facing Fears with Tanya Chavez, another BBGer, and Breaking Down Walls, Overcoming Emotional Guarding. In terms of favorite reviews, I wanted to share one that came from Liz Hanson. And she said, the podcast feels like chatting with a friend who really gets it. Vanessa shares down to earth advice on mindfulness and mental health that actually helps. Perfect if you want something calming and encouraging to brighten your day. Liz, thank you so much. And everyone else who's left a review, shared an episode, DM'd me. I see you. I appreciate you so very much. And if you can continue to share it with someone who hasn't heard it yet, I really do from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So, as we wrap up the season and head into summer, I want to invite you to slow down too. And I know all of us have different starts and ends of summer, but I know that sometimes we get caught up, either caught up not enjoying it or caught up in the stress of wanting to plan so many things for our kids and trying to squeeze everything in, but then that stresses us out. And we want to remind ourselves that this is life's built-in break. And I know not everybody gets the summer off, but it's an invitation to slow down and really ground yourself in this thing called life that passes by so fast. So we want to take advantage of it. And I know it's easier said than done, but if you haven't listened yet, I do want to invite you to check out episode 274, which is all about mindset shift around rest and about letting go of the guilt that we carry when we pause and reclaiming rest as something that you deserve, not something that you just earn. So whether you're poolside, on a walk, folding laundry, or wherever it is with your earbuds in, let this be your reminder that slowing down doesn't mean that you're falling behind. Sometimes slowing down is how we catch up to ourselves. And believe it or not, this episode is being recorded in mid-June, and I already have guests lined up for season 7, which launches on September 1st. I think if you've been here for a while, you know that my brain works in academic years, in the Northeast academic years. So we start in September, the very first day of September, which lands on a Monday, and it goes through the end of June 2026. So when it comes to season 7, which is crazy to say, but so exciting, we are going to be recording on a new platform. So you may notice some helpful differences. I'm excited about that. And you'll also see us on YouTube. You'll see the differences there as well. And while the podcast is on a break, so to speak, I have two things for you. We will be releasing tea and takeaways on the podcast, but they also live on YouTube. So, tea and takeaways is how I ingrain myself in my favorite shows that I love to watch, but then give you the tea and takeaways through a clinical lens. So, it's like watching a show with a fun therapist, and you can hear exactly what I think about the characters in the show. So far, we have Netflix Adolescence, Netflix The Sirens, Hulu's Good American Family. Right now, we're in the middle of HBO's And Just Like That. Me in Georgia, that one's coming. So as I do them, I will release them on the podcast. It'll be a little bit different than what you're used to, but it's pretty fun, especially if you watch those shows as well. So that's what's going to be happening in the summer on the podcast, but then brand new podcast shows will be released in September. And again, while the podcast is on a break, I'm still here and I'd love to hear from you. And by the way, you can DM me the answers to these on any social media platform. Instagram is my favorite sandbox to play in. So find me at Counselor V de Jesus and please let me know your thoughts. I want to know perhaps what was your favorite episode this season? I really want to know, what do you want to hear more of next season? I really want to make sure that the podcast is intentional and feeding you, right? Helping you. So if you want to hear of something, see something, or if you have a friend who'd make a great guest, please by all means send them the invitation, because I really want to make sure that I am feeding your needs. So again, you can send me a DM at Counselor V De Jesus on any platform. I read every message, and although sometimes it may take me a little while to respond, remember there's a lot of things going on with a 1 year old who's running around now. I do always get back to you. I also want to give you the invitation that if in this season you're realizing that perhaps you need more support, that you need more presence, you need more of you in your life, then I invite you to work with me through Amiga Mom's private coaching. So that is definitely taking off headstrong this summer. And it isn't parent coaching. That's one thing I want to make clear. This is transformative support for you, the woman behind the mom title. It really is meant to reconnect who you are, what you want out of life, and how you want to feel in this season. It's time to stop living in survival mode and start living with intention, because again, our lives are so very short. So if this speaks to you and you'd like to work one-to-one work with me for a matter of 3 months, and sessions and voice notes in between those sessions, please reach out to me via the link in the show notes, or you can visit amigamoms.com. And now for that gift that I promised at the top of the episode. As a thank you for being part of this beautiful season, I'm sharing a limited time free audiobook. The book is called Wealthy and Well Known, and it's written by the founders of Brand Builders Group, which is the group that I mentioned I'm a part of, along with so many season 6 guests. These founders of Brand Builders Group really focus on elevating your brand and putting yourself out there and doing the things that you know will serve others while sharing your passions with them. If you're anywhere in the business or entrepreneurship space in life, or if you just want a new book to read, again, this is the limited time free download. If you're listening to this in real time, it does end June 30th. So be sure to visit the link in my show notes and you can get the free download there. And by the way, if you're interested in elevating your brand, please also DM me so that I can share more about them with you, because it really has been transformative. So I think that's all, folks. Thank you for an incredible season. Thank you for growing alongside me. Thank you for choosing mindful living in the middle of your busy, busy life. If this podcast has encouraged you this year in any way, shape, or form, I ask you to please share it with a friend. And I'm very excited for season 7 and all that is to come. I'll see you back here in September. I hope that you take advantage of the sunshine, of slowing down, and that you always remember that you're always free to be mindful. Catch you then.